Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday I have taught you half the lesson, a battle in the jungle, and today we are going to continue it. What I taught you yesterday? I said that this is an excerpt, a passage taken from the travelogue. Travelogue means the written information about somebody's trip to some place. Travelogue written by Monisha Rajesh, the English writer. Okay, and in that, what she wrote is her book's name. Her travelogue's name was Around the Country or Around India in 80 trains. So she traveled all around India in 80 trains by boarding 80 trains. One of the trains she boarded was Maharaja Express of Rajasthan. By boarding Maharaja Express, she reached Ranthambore National Park. What experiences she had there, we are going to study in this. So first what we learnt? We learnt that the guide came along with the jeep to pick them up. They reached Ranthambore National Park, and then they went into the safari where they could see some sound of the sambar deer. Then the guide Raju guide said that it is the warning of the deer for other animals about the arrival of the uh, tiger, and by then they could see the movement among the tree branches. So they wanted to go there, and that by that they sensed that the tiger is moving about. Then while they were moving in their jeep, they could see another jeep standing just in front of them to watch the tigers. So the driver Raju, he turned his jeep and went up and down the hill, and he stopped in some other place from where they could have a sight of the movement of the tigers. So till here I taught. Today we are going to continue with the remaining part of the lesson. So our lesson is a battle in the jungle. So we entered into September month. A battle in the jungle. Okay. So now remaining part we are going to do. After Raju stopped the jeep in some other place from where they could have a view of the tigers. Understand? What happened there? Let us see. Just as we returned around the corner, the tiger appeared on the track and paused. Just they were, just they turned around the corner of the road and stopped their jeep. Just then what happened? The tiger appeared on the track. Track means road. The tiger appeared on the track means the tiger appeared on the road and paused. Paused means what? Stopped for a while. It stopped there, turning to look directly at us. It stopped and turned and looked at these people in the passengers or tourists in the jeep. Then he calmly leaped on to the road and walked around the back of the jeep and into the trees. Then he calmly means quietly, moved away from there. Leaped on means went bumping on the road and walked around there, around the back of the jeep and went again into the trees. We sped downhill into a clearing, but then Raju braked sharply. Understand? They went into the under the down at the bottom of the hills where clearing means open space. There Raju braked sharply means very hardly or very fast. Quickly he gave the brake to the jeep. Less than 20 meters away was the same tiger. His head was lowered and paws were raised. He had spotted something. Less than 20 meters away from there, little away from there, they could see the same tiger. What was he doing? His head was lowered like this and his paws were raised. Understand? Paws were straight, raised. His head was lowered because he was observing something very sharply, very carefully. Understand? Following his gaze, we saw that hidden in the trees was another tiger. So following his gaze means look. We also followed his look. What he is seeing there? Then we could see another tiger among the trees, hidden among the trees. They could see another tiger. What the tiger was observing? She was observing another tiger in the jungle. So also these tourists, they also could notice some other tiger in the jungle. The guide told us that this was a tigress named Machli. Machli was known as the queen of the jungle. She was 15 years old and was the pride of Ranthambore. She was still watching him, her tail curving dangerously. So what? The tiger which was observing another tiger, she was a tigress, female tiger. Her name was Machli, and Machli got lot of importance in that jungle. She was considered to be the queen of the jungle. How old was Machli? Machli was 15 years old. She was the pride of the jungle. All the people loved her. She was the pride of the jungle means she was given very important place in Ranthambore National Park. So she was still watching him, her tail curving dangerously. Still Machli was watching another tiger, curving her tail, making round her tail in a dangerous manner. When the two big cats were less than a few meters away, they bounded towards each other. The last second, they leaped up, paws outstretched, and clashed midair, sinking claws and teeth into each other's necks. So when the two big cats, who are two big cats? One is Machli, the other is another tiger. Okay, they were less than few meters away from each other. They bounded towards each other. They jumped towards each other. Then what did they do? At the last moment, they leaped up, paws outstretched, and clashed midair, sinking claws and teeth into each other's necks. Outstretched అంటే ఇట్లా ఓపెన్ చేస్తాయి claws. And they jumped into the air and attacked each other, sinking, piercing their teeth into each other's necks. In the jeep, all of us held our breath as we watched the fight. So in the jeep, they all sat and observed these two tigers fight. A terrifying roar ripped through the jungle as birds flew off the branches. So a terrifying, fearful roar of the tigers broke into the jungle. The fearful, dangerous roar of the sound of the tigers broke into the jungle, and all the birds afraid of this, and they flew to other place. Screeching, making sound, all the birds went away. The two animals wrestled on hind legs, snarling and growling, their bodies merging into one gigantic form. So, what the two two tigers did? They wrestled on hind leg, stood on hind leg, backside leg, and wrestled, means fought with each other with front legs. And snarling and growling. Snarling means making big sound, roaring and screaming loudly, and their bodies merged, mixed into, and looked as if they were single. On one gigantic form, very large form, both together they formed into a single body because they were just very close to each other. So it looked as if they were one single, very large body. This went on for few minutes, but Machli was not known as the queen of the jungle for nothing. So this went on for a long time. This fight went on for a long time, but Machli was not known. Simply she was not told, not considered to be the queen of the jungle, but she had some special quality, very brave, and she defeated all other tigers. That's why she fiercely slashed her claws across the other tiger's face. The tiger moved back slowly and limped away to lick his wounds. So she fiercely, cruelly, harshly, what did the Machli do? Slashed her claws. The means bet with her claws on the face of the other tiger, and she got scratches on all her body and face. So the other tiger moved back slowly and limped away to lick his wound. It limped means walked unsteadily and went into the jungle to lick his wounds, to clean his wounds. She gave one final growl as she watched him go. So Machli gave one more horrible roar while she saw other tiger going in the forest. Then turned around and picked her way to a tree. Then she went again, picked her way means made her own way into the jungle. And there she sat down and licked her paws. Again she also did the same thing to clean her paws. Our guide watched her with a proud smile on his face because he knew about her. So he laughed and smiled with a proud smile. The 15-year-old has won the battle, he declared. There was Machli sitting contentedly when Raju started driving us back to the base. The other tiger was nowhere to be seen. So, proudly, contentedly means satisfiedly, the tiger Machli sat in one place and happily she was enjoying her win over other tiger, and they went back to their normal place. So this is the lesson which tells us about the battle in the jungle between two tigers. Here we stop. Our lesson is over. Thank you.